What up, y'all? Every penny counts. All right, I'm back. It's new money maker Mondays, and my new site for y'all this Monday is Keeprewarding. All right, the link is in the description. Of course, you know the routine. Sign up, you get that bonus. You see here my point balance. I have 106 points. That's a little bit equivalent to $1. And the reason I say it's a little bit equivalent to $1, if I show you in the reward store real quick, I go here. I will show you. You can cash out on this site with $1, but I think it costs 110 points if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, right there, 110 points. But as you go to $5 and higher, it becomes kind of a discount thing. Right there, you need 500 points to get $5, but $10, $995. You go over to next, you give you more of a discount. You see what I'm saying here? The amount of points you need to get that, so you don't have to have the whole 5,000 points. You know, you get 4,925, so that's not bad. The higher you cash out, the more of a discount you get. Okay, but for the minimum cash out, you can get $1. They also have Amazon, and pretty much the same rules apply. The higher you get, the less points you have to require to cash out for these different gift cards, like Amazon, Tingo gift card, and the Walmart. You know, those are pretty much the main ones that people use. I know PayPal and Amazon like at the top of the list for people as far as cashing out. So just keep that in mind. It pays out at $1 minimum. So that's really cool when a site doesn't have to make you get $5, $10. $1 is pretty much, I think a lot of the get paid to sites goal, just because it's so easy to reach that $1. And it doesn't take that long to get $1 from most sites. You know, so you can get $1 within a couple of hours on most of these sites. Keeprewarding, I have been paid by them before. I think twice. I think my first cash I did $1, and my second cash I did $5, and I think they both came with they both came like the next day. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't have to wait 7 days, nothing like that. It wasn't like waiting forever. It was the next day. I think when I cashed out, they put it in the pending list, and then I checked my account the next day, and it was in there. All right, so just kind of keep that in mind when you're using this site. It doesn't take long to get paid, but let me show you the offer walls they have, because this site has, I think, probably one of the top sites that has the most offer walls, when you just see all these different things you can get. And this is something that I really love, and it really motivates me, because there's so many different opportunities on here to make money with. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of them you've seen before. Some of them you may not have seen, but you want to still take the opportunity to try and make money with them. You see here they have Tap Research, which is a popular one. Theorem Reach. Remember I tell you with Theorem Reach, everyone you disqualify for, you get a penny. They got Radio 1 offers in here, Super Rewards, Trial, Wall Ads, Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs is one of my favorite. You know, I try to go through and knock out all the Peanut Labs, because they're very easy to complete and qualify for as well. You see live surveys. These are surveys that are paying anywhere between like $1 to $3, just depending on your location, your demographics, things like that nature. They got video loyalty. Always let your videos run in the background. Also Hideout TV, more TV time. Those are the video programs they have. Ad click wall, clicks wall, minute staff, and PTC wall. These are basically, you just go in here and click different ads and you get paid to do that. You know, very, very simple to do. Not bad at all. If I scroll down here, you'll see they have tasks. Like, it kind of shows you all of the survey walls that they have to do. Also on the side here, you'll see what everybody is doing here in order to make money with. All right, so you see that this site is, people are actually using it, people are actually making money with it. Just things of that nature. If I kind of scroll, you can see a little bit more. Let me get my hand over here. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. You see all of these different things people are doing in order to make money with. You know what I'm saying? They're all doing survey. Look, the survey router, 60 points. You know what I'm saying? Hideout TV, 5.25 points for doing that. Their Radio 1 offer. Radio 1 offer worth 21 points. So you see here, people are doing things to make money with a lot of different users on here. And it's because they have so many offer walls. You know what I'm saying? So just play around with what works for you. Do some surveys, do some free offers, you know, click on some ads, watch some videos, you know, just really grind out. If possible, try to do something on each one of these offer walls. I mean, it's just that simple. There's money here. I mean, they ask you, how do I earn here? Just look at all these offer walls they have. I mean, there's no excuse why you can't come on here and really make money with it. So you just try to take a look at what works for you, and just keep in mind that you know, when you're using these sites, the more you put in is the more you get out. You're not going to reach cash out by just signing up for a site and not clicking on anything, because a lot of people tend to do that. I got a couple friends that, when they signed up, they were kind of hesitant at the beginning, but I just kind of encourage them, look, man, just grind out, do a couple surveys here, do a couple surveys there, and your account began to build. And they did that, and now they're just like every day they're doing something. So now they're just continuously making money. They're like, man, I can't go a day without making some kind of money with these sites. And that's what it's about. So like the hardest part is signing up. Then after that, a lot of people feel like, okay, I signed up, I'm good. Nah, you're not good at all. You have to actually put in the work. You have to do something. You have to actually do a survey, do an offer, put money into the account, because you might get that bonus for signing up, but that bonus is not enough to cash out. So you want to get your first cash out. That's the hardest part, getting your first cash out. But once you get it, that should be enough motivation to continue grinding. All right. So this is a perfect site to use because they have so many different opportunities to make money with. All right. So that's basically the gist of it. I don't really want to go too deep into it, just make a long video. Kind of want to make this short and sweet because I feel like this site kind of speaks for itself. As far as you seeing on the offer wall, you seeing all the people, what they're doing to make money with it. Look, somebody just cashed out $10 PayPal. So it's just that simple. I mean, people are making money with it, and there's no excuse of why you can't join that list. All right. So Keeprewarding, like I said, the link is in the description. You sign up under my link, they'll throw you more opportunities to make money. You will have that bonus. You can really grind out and really do stuff. What you see here for me, I've completed 78 offers. All right. So I'm really, like I said, I've done 2 cash outs, 78 offers. I mean, a lot of them were surveys, and they were very quick surveys. And some of them were just like, I got this qualified for, say, sent me a penny or 2 pennies or something like that. But I completed 78. So you see, I'm actually doing this. I'm actually making money with it. I'm on the way to my 3rd cash out. I could cash out very soon. We could get that dollar, but I think I want to go for the $5 one. I don't know. It just depends. But look, y'all, I mean, I'm just telling y'all, sign up for this site, Keeprewarding. I like it. You should definitely add it into your routine as to whatever you're doing and make money with it. It's just that simple. Like right after you sign up, I mean, as soon as you sign up and confirm all your information, all that kind of stuff, find a survey and complete it. Like, don't leave this site until you complete your first survey, because then you put more money into the account. And then, okay, cool, I made money with it, so now let me keep grinding with it. All right, so it's just that simple, y'all. Sign up, link is in the description. If you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment, because I'm always providing you guys with ways to make money. Like I said, every Monday I'm bringing you a new site to make money with that you have to throw in your routine. And I'm just always putting out videos of just sites of me making money with it, me cashing out, showing you tips and tricks, all kind of things. And everything I show you is for free. You would never have to pay for anything, all right? So you know me, every penny counts. Sign up for this site, start making money today, and you just know the more money you make, the more money you have in your PayPal account, Amazon, all that kind of good stuff. All right, so sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.